Introducing the Mobile Manipulator solution from Omron. Designed for safe collaborative work between humans and robots in manufacturing, the Mobile Manipulator combines Omron's autonomous mobile robot with an Omron TM collaborative arm. With the Omron TM collaborative built-in vision system and landmark navigation, the Mobile Manipulator is capable of precise inspection, pick and place, sorting, and assembly. Coupled with a mobile robot that maps out optimal routes, detects obstacles, and safely reroutes around them, this solution unleashes the potential of automating new applications in a wide variety of industries. For pick-and-place operations, the Mobile Manipulator adds better traceability for high-value and delicate goods. For packing, the Mobile Manipulator can be used for palletizing applications, saving time in material transport and sparing people the tasks of heavy, repetitive lifting. Working by itself or integrated into a larger fleet of robots, the Mobile Manipulator is built to handle complex tasks including pick and place, assembly, packaging, machine tending, inventory tracking, and transportation, unlocking the true potential of industrial robots. The Mobile Manipulator solution from Omron. What will you use it for?